Hi and welcome. In this tutorial, we will talk about streams in Node.js. To do so, we will need to install Node.js. I will be using the latest stable version, 16.15.0. We will need Docker and Docker Compose and Robo3T as well. One of the misconceptions about streams is that streams are limited only to files, which is wrong. Streams could be literally anything. Could be about reading or writing files, some network communications, or some end-to-end information exchange. Some database drivers uses streams out of the box. For example, this Mongodb, which is really old, uses streams. Next.js, which is one of the known ORMs, uses streams. This is Cassandra. You can use streams as well. And this is OracleDB. It gives you the ability to use streams. Here it is. The main goal of this tutorial is to show you how to use read and write streams, some use cases of transform. I will show you as well some mistakes to avoid while using streams. I will show you how to use pipes and pipeline and how to manage exceptions and errors in both pipe and pipeline. We will have some fun while manipulating files or compressed files. I will show you how we can send data to MongoDB or any database from a file using streams. And most importantly, we will have some fun while tuning the performance of our application. So let's get started.